So now let's see how we can use clipboard content in order to use it as brushes. So to do that, I'm going to go to File and I'm going to go around onto Open right here. And then I'm simply going to go around and choose, let's say, for example, this image right here. Once I do that, I'm just going to go around and zoom in. And over here, you can see that I can go around and use my fuzzy select tool right here to select out the content. So over here, you can see the fuzzy selection tool options right here. So let me just go around and keep it. And over here, I'm going to use addition, and then I'm simply going to go around and click right here. So once I do that, you can see that certain selection over here is done. So now if I were to go around and press Ctrl C on my keyboard, then this will be copied onto my clipboard. And over here, you can see that this is what you have. So you have the clipboard content as a brush right here. If I were to go around onto Windows, onto Dockable dialog right here, then if I were to go to brushes, then you will be able to see this. So this is what you have. So now, yeah, this is copied onto the clipboard. So I'm just going to go around onto File and New right here, and this is what you have. If I were to go around and select out, let's say, a brush right here, then if I were to click and drag, then you can see that this is the brush. I got the grass texture as a brush right here. Similarly, you can also select, let's say, for example, something like this as a color. If I were to go around over here, you can see that I'm drawing with grass, and you can change around the size of the grass as well, and you can change around the aspect ratio as well, just like this. You can go around and change around, let's say, for example, dynamic options, right? Jitter. You don't need jitter, let's say, for example, then you can see that it can be quite smooth right here. Then you can go around and change around the spacing over here, just like this as well. And then this is what you have, as you can see, without spacing. Then you can go around and change around the aspect ratio. You can change around the angle over here, just like this as well, and change around the spacing over here as well. And you're drawing with grass. You can go around and change around the dynamics right here, just like this. And then this is what you have, as you can see. So this is how you can go around and draw around with the clipboard contents over here, as you can see, just like this, and turn anything basically into a brush inside of GIMP. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.